Good afternoon, traders. Today is May 25th and it's 10 a.m. Pacific time. I'm most likely done trading for the day. I'm up $419 after commissions. I'm just using my 5 fully funded Apex accounts. So pretty good day trading, pretty low risk here. So let's just dive in on my trade setups today and go from there. So here's the S&P 500 futures. We saw a pretty interesting open, more of a choppy. I started trading around 7 o'clock here. So it was just in this like chop for the first hour and a half here. What we saw was the market started to go up here, and I took a short when I saw some sellers here into this top range of the balance here that we had on the hourly, and basically got taken out for a loss here, pretty small loss, so about 4 or 5 points here. And then what happened was, as it drifted higher into this initial balance high, I saw some resistance both on Nasdaq and ES. So I like to combine both markets to see what the price is doing. And what we saw was, there was some about 1,400 more sellers than buyers on this bar, and I took a short on the next bar here. And initially, I wasn't planning for this to be a long, like to break these lows here. So my target was this initial balance here on this hour of about 41.44 here. And as this was selling off, so locked in the profits of about 41.45 here. And then I ended up actually going long here leaning against this volume here. So locked in here, so went long here about 41.40 here, and well, initially I actually did a very small mistake here. I went long here, then ended up actually trying to add another target, but then I moved my target lower, and so I ended up getting out here and then right away re-entering here, and then I ended up taking another long position here, and stop was just below at 41.37 here. And as the market started drifting higher, I actually took pretty early profits here, and because of the timing, it was already almost like 9 o'clock here, and I didn't want to hold through like 9 to 10 Pacific time. It's usually pretty choppy, so I just kind of used this area to kind of lean against, which was obviously very early, and just locked in profits here. The idea was almost like perfect here. We had a rally here, sold off kind of into this cluster of orders, very small stop here, and this move was pretty nice here. And then obviously this is kind of the chop that I wanted to avoid, but I didn't expect this to just keep pushing higher. So I'm fine with locking in a little more than $400 for the day, so, and kind of went on to focus on other things. I did also take a trade on NQ here, a small one, also locked in. Similar trade on Nasdaq, or on similar trade as what I took for ES here. We had the sell-off, kind of little push up higher. Ended up taking a long here, locking in about 16 points on Nasdaq here, which was pretty good, but obviously missed out on most of the slowed. Again, the reason for that was it was that 9 o'clock range here, and I kind of just leaned into just selling off. And I just leaned into just taking this profit here. So overall, pretty good day. Nothing super exciting. Most of the trading that I like to do is around 7 to 9 a.m. And it was more of a chop fest here. And then but then the last hour kind of locked in some decent profit here. Hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of why I was taking some of these trades on these levels here, why I took a short here. Hopefully that kind of helps you understand some of my trading logic here. I do want to make a more in-depth video of my trading strategy, so keep watching, and I'll definitely try to get that out soon. If you found this video to be helpful, I would encourage you to subscribe. I'm pretty new to YouTube, and make videos like this all the time to help other traders. I'm sharing about 7.5 years of full-time trading here, so hopefully you find this useful. Also, Apex Trader Funding is doing an 80% off discount right now up until the end of the month here. So I have a coupon code in the description below, including a link to get 80% off. You could get an account for as low as $31. And which is ever since I started using Apex Trader Funding, I stopped using my personal accounts because of how great Apex been. I already got paid out 3 times by them, and it's a legit company. I wouldn't worry about it being a scam or anything. They're paid out many people already. They're the #1 company that paid out the most out of all the other funding companies, and I think they're the cheapest, and support is great. So I would highly recommend it. It's a great deal right now. So thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys later. I did want to remind also, I did all of these trades live on YouTube. So if you want to check out more in depth, this is more of a summary of all my trades. But if you want to watch all the trades I was doing live as this market was trading, you could definitely check that out. I have those videos posted as well. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.